Hi guys, welcome to the Teaching and Learning. Today, proposed questions and answers lesson 9. I'm going to add some more questions in the bank and I'm sure it will help you to attempt these pedagogy tests. These questions are related with the theories. Some theories we have taken and some theories we will take. So what you have to do while you are attempting or question is related with the theory, you should check it out the main purpose, main theme of the theory. Second thing, you should know who wrote this theory. So, one thing is very clear that in education, all these things are related with the learning and brain. So, our theories are roaming around the psychology. So, every psychologist give a different perspective and a different a concept and different reason about the learning process and the methods and the styles. So you should know that all the theories of the learning they are related with the psychology, they are related with the brain activities, but different scholars they have given the different names, and everyone raised their point and focused on certain area that how it works. So you can check it out my previous theories and you can uh, compare it that all theories are the psychology and all psychologist has explained in a different perspective. So guys, let's move to the lesson, but before that, don't forget to press the bell icon button and subscribe button if you want more videos like that. Your comments and your feedback will be highly appreciated. So let's move to the first question. The first question, a theory, is related with the growth mindset. We have a growth mindset and the rigid mindset. Growth mindset make efforts, and however, rigid mindset sticks with the statements what he or she possesses. So, growth mindset is exploring and finding the information and gives their own logic and reasons to understand and exploring more to get in depth. However, the rigid, which works within a smooth whatever is given to him or her. So, how the questions might be a theory which is centered around the belief that intelligence and learning can be developed and improved. So, here you can see developed and improved. If it is not developed and improved, definitely that will be rigid. It is said to rise to challenges and learn from the mistakes they make, rather than feeling distressed and defeated if they are unable to do not to do or understanding something. So, which theory is this? And this is the growth mindset theory, and it explores the more opportunities, and it learns the new lesson, and it finds out some more information about. So you have to check it out. Okay, more information about the growth mindset, what it is talk, and while you are studying growth mindset, you should compare about the uh, other the theories like the rigid and growth, or you can say fixed mindset. The second one, a theory which is given by Jean Pyget. The first, sorry, they should be capital. People consider cognitive development in stages and propose that thinking process developed alongside biological maturation. You can see as the children grow up, our thinking levels of the different at each level of the life. And another thing, if a child, infant, child, and a young adult, they are grown up in a different atmosphere. So every atmosphere or the environment is affecting on the learning process, and that learning process is connected with the biological growth. So the environment is affecting on the growth as well as the learning. Children construct an understanding of the world around them, and that learning happening happens. So when they experience discrepancies between what they already know and what they discover within their environment. So you can check your children when they go school, they have a different social interaction with the people, students, okay, they learn different things and they act and behave accordingly. So the level of the confidence and the learning you can measure with the environment. So that's the Jean Pyget's theory. Okay, I have also given other theories, you can check it out, except Skinner's theory. In previous, I have mentioned the question about the self-actualization, and today I'm going to talk about the Maslow's theory, which he has given the five needs or hierarchy of the needs, what exactly individually needs or human needs. So most famous for his work, a hierarchy of needs model, which processes a series of human needs in an hierarchical order, ranging from basic psychological, physiological needs through a self-esteem and a self-actualization. So you can see the five needs, which is in hierarchy form: self-esteem, self-actualization, belongings, safety, and physiological needs. So you can see what are these. And so who has given this theory? Maslow, Abraham Maslow. A socio-cultural theory of learning that emphasizes the importance of a social interaction in a child development. The learning is about not only acquiring the ability to think but also continuously interacting with the environment, and it has relations with the Jean Pyget a little bit, but Leave, he explained that how interaction is increasing the ability of the learning. So if you are continuously interacting in the environment, definitely the learning process keep happening. Okay, so the ability, okay, and your level of the confidence and the level of learning while you interact with the environment, you get the new abilities, you get the new ideas, you get the exchange. Okay, so the for interaction is the most important, and it's emphasizing, and it's really important to develop the even a child or develop the adult as well as them. So you can see the professional experiences, the children at the school and the children which are not going to the school. There's a big difference, okay, and they you can find out the interaction because they're circles of the interaction, and if you're gonna compare the circles of the interaction, you will be finding the different. Okay, and that circle of the interaction is definitely the circle of the learning. If your circle is a good, definitely you will be learning some good things. If it is a bad, you will be learning something bad. Okay? So it depends on the social interaction, but one thing is that there's happening something, either it's a positive or negative. So these are the guys a few questions which I have added in the bank. I'm sure it's gonna help you. So we'll be meeting in the next lesson. So don't forget to subscribe the teaching and learning. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to press the like and bell icon button. We'll be meeting with the new lesson. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and stay safe.